That was the motion of the Maverick and about 10,000 Reggae Boyz fans inside the National Stadium last night. I watched the long passes from end to end. Syria. Oh no, my neck hurt me. I try to follow the ball. But seriously though, it was not a good look. Just wild kicking football by the Jamaican team. Little or no attempt to use our midfielders or to put the ball on the ground and pass it. And the worrying thing about it is that there were no indications that Coach Hygrimson tried to change the tactics or the formation for the entire 90+ minutes. Jamaica playing at home on our best surface against a team ranked 40 places below us on the FIFA ranks, and all we could have seen was ball a kick perhaps And look, this is Coach Hygrimson's 4th game in charge. Many first-string players are missing, but that is no excuse. We cannot beat Trinidad. And I know my neck still hurt me. It's like a rabbit. What kind of football?